Hey y'all, I'm Kate with Salty Katie, and today we're going to talk about elastics. So let's get into it. Okay y'all, so let's talk elastics. So over the last few years, I've sold somewhere in the neighborhood of, I don't know, 15 or 20,000 jelly items. And just recently, I had two people about 90 days apart approach me with concerns that their jelly cover was broken because the elastic came loose. So one lady was really mad, and after she took me to task about the elastic, she gave me a couple of paragraphs of unsolicited shop advice regarding my pricing and everything else. She was really mad. Anyway, if the elastic comes loose out of your jelly cover, it is absolutely not a problem. It is very common for the knots on this little elastic to come loose. As you pull on the elastic, you know, as you're opening and closing your planner over and over again, it's entirely possible that the little knot here just works itself loose. And it is not a big deal at all to fix it. So because of the nature of elastic, because it is, I mean, it's moving every time, the little knot is moving every time you pull on the elastic, it is not going to stay like a knot on the end of this thread here. Can you see that? I could work on this knot on this thread for the rest of my natural life and it never would come loose because there's little to no give in this thread. This elastic, however, this whole thing has give. So over time, as you pull on it, you can see it happening right now. Sometimes the elastic will loosen, the knot will come loose, and it needs retying. Not an issue. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I'm just going to take a little length of elastic here. I'm going to meet the two loose ends, tie them in a knot. And then I just pull it snug. There's no need to strangle the elastic. I'm going to burn the ends right quick because it is, you know, synthetic fiber, and so it will ravel. So now we have some nice little burnt ends here. And let's just replace the elastic on this cover so I can show you how easy it is. So let's pretend that the knot came out of this elastic and we're going to replace it. So you can take the bent end or the loop end and you can sit here and fiddle with it until you can dig it through that little hole in the back of the cover. Or you can do it the fast way. Take a needle with a piece of thread tied on the end of it. Pass the needle through the back of the cover. Loop the elastic over it. I'm going to pull the needle up and hold one end. I'm holding both ends. Here's the needle. Here's the end of the thread. And then I'm going to pass that back through the hole. Boom. There's our new elastic. So, if your elastic on your jelly cover happens to come loose, it is no issue at all. You just take it, put a knot in it, and pass the looped end from the inside to the outside, and you are golden. We'll do it one more time just for funsies. I'm going to take the cover. I'm going to pass the needle from the outside to the inside, place the elastic loop on top. I'm going to hold both ends and put the needle back through the hole. Here is our replaced elastic. You can do that anytime the knot comes loose, or if you just want to change the color of your elastics. I thought this green looked pretty good. And this minty colored one would look good too. So that is how you deal with any issues you might have with your elastic on your jelly cover. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you here again soon. Bye.